MSR Zoic 2 tent is not only extra spacious for a true 2-person, 3-season backpacking tent, it's also fast and easy to pitch. The tent comes with everything you need for the standard setup. An optional footprint can help keep the tent floor clean, dry, and protected from abrasion. To set up your Zoic tent, spread the tent out. If you're using an optional footprint, place it under the tent body. Stake out the 4 corners tightly. Next, assemble the poles, being careful not to let the pole ends snap together. Lay the long hubbed poles over the tent body so that they form an X. Then insert the pole tips into the grommets at each corner of the tent. Attach the clips on the tent body to the poles. Next, place the short ridge pole over the hubbed poles and insert the ridge pole into the 2 grommets in the tent's canopy. Lay the ravenfly over the tent with the MSR logo legible from the outside. Align the red vestibules with the doors on the tent body. Attach the stake loops to the poles at each corner of the tent. Attach the rainfly's midpoint grommets to the ridge pole. Stretch out the vestibules until taut and stake them down, aligning the seams with the frame. Then tighten the webbing at all stakeout points. Always remember to stake down your tent and use additional guy cords or stakes as needed. Adjust the rainfly and vestibules to keep your tent tight and weatherproof. Rolling up the vestibule or rolling back the rainfly can minimize condensation and improve airflow. All Zoic series tents can be set up in a fast and light mode using the rainfly, poles, and optional fast and light body, sold separately. When you return home, ensure that your tent is clean and dry, and store it uncompressed to help prolong its life. To learn more about the Zoic series of tents and the many tent accessories MSR provides, please visit msrgear.com.